I'm worried about the kid that's sitting in his house that wants to be better than me and all those guys. That's who I'm competing with now. OVO Sound Radio.
Yeah. For my dogs, you know. More. Stealing.
Max, my boy.
Stealing. Views. Yeah.
New niggas sneaking work along, and the September's very on. My team so bad to the bone, too bad y'all could've bump. These days, don't release days. A gentleman when I meet days. I'ma take you out, then I take you down. You was down for but you're naked now. 22, got the Draco. This a motherfucking Drake dog. Left Riri for a J-Lo. Settlements like J. Cole. Lawsuits, stealing views. I'm 22 and I'm with 22. Jump man in the street. You was Jump Street 22. I'm with the wolves, yeah, we moving packs. Crossing on and I ain't moving back. I'm so T.O., I go T.I. But in V-Live, I don't do the math. Yeah. Gotta look out for my enemies. I get a thrill off the jealousy. I make it look like there's 10 of me. You bite my sign, you steal my style. You in the way, can't see now. Don't speak on my name. Don't steal my views.
Look, I swear to God, man, niggas steady be sneak dissing, but a nigga spared your bitch ass, you hear me? 21, you a hoe, boy.
Who this is?
Man, who that is? That's 21?
No, bitch, that's 22.
22.
Don't speak up on my name or you gon' get a fucking headshot. My brother bought a chopper and it got a fucking red dot. Outside with the 4-5, strapped up with the bullshit. Nigga play games, I'ma hit his ass with the full clip. Stendo got that motherfucking mag, he strapped up in the bag. And we coming with that motherfucking stick. Birbino with the shit, he gon' crack you in your shit. Views from the motherfucking bottom with that stick. 30 stick like a ladder. Bitch don't play with my gang. And that nigga play with me, then I'm calling up my gang. If you ever snatch my chain, you gon' get one to the brain. Me and my niggas, we insane. And we stay strapped with that thing. And we steady smoking flame. In the trap with them sticks. I know niggas kicking doors. I know niggas hitting licks. I know niggas shipping bricks. Wrap it up and ship it off. Birbino got that hard. And it dead got that soft. Bitch, we gang.
You bite my sign, you steal my style. You in the way, can't see now. Don't speak on my name. Don't steal my views.
Yeah. More. Turn me up a little bit more.
New girl was a centerfold. Old girl from the Western Roads. Bustin' hundreds out the envelope. Six. Super Bowl got big rings. I put a bands in your head, boy. Point hand squad blessed, boy. Lord knows. No parodies, no prototypes. No group ass, we the solo type. Miami nice, yeah, YOLO tight. The new OVO signee. Don't need Dre to co-sign me. Wasn't here by me, he gon' wonder why it took so damn long to find me. More records, tour life, yeah, low life. There's more life, yeah. You mixing us up with niggas that co-write, yeah. I got 'em, I never use ghost lines. You can see it with your eyes, no imitations or impersonations. And you try to ride the wave. You try to ride the wave. Yeah, Travis James shit. DG.